Hey guys, today we're going to be unboxing one more Apple Watch. So this is the way that Apple sends your stuff in this type of box. So let's just open it up. So I did get this shipped in, and this is the Series 7. So you'll notice with the other series, this is slightly different. So I did other unboxings, and the box, it's slightly different. There's some texture here, which is pretty nice. And around the box, there isn't much information, as you guys can see. It's only on the bottom where we see the serial number and all that stuff. But anyways, let's just open this up. So there we go, from the bottom. You can just open up this box and see exactly what we're getting here. So again, this is just an unboxing. You guys get to see the color and everything. However, I do have a video that shows you how to set this up, a manual as well, and a review with all Apple Watches for that matter. So again, it doesn't really matter which Apple Watch you're getting. You're always going to get the exact same stuff inside the box, by the way. So it doesn't really matter which color you got. Here we go, and now we're going to slide everything out. So this is just the band inside here. There's just some paperwork. And inside, we're going to get the band. Which is, I do want to mention this, you always get this type of bands. You always get two. So there's a longer one and a shorter one. This one's much fatter. See this a little bit better. So if you place one on top of the other one, you will see that this one right here is in fact a little bit longer. However, this one's shorter, but a little bit fatter as well. So you could set it up with whichever one you've got. So you just take all of them out actually from the box. Here we go. And this actually tells you how to place them on. I'm gonna go over it in the setup video as well, so make sure to check that out. So if you guys do want to see the Apple Watch itself in action, what you can do with it, make sure to watch the setup video, plus always watch the manual for it. Anyways, in this box we have the Apple Watch, so let's just take that out. This is pretty tight in there, but here we go. Finally, our Apple Watch. Something I always recommend getting for Apple Watches is a screen protector. They seem to scratch as well, which is kind of disappointing. And here we go. It's just your basics. Again, how to set it up. It's actually extremely easy to charge this up and set it up. You will go through that. And it doesn't really matter which phone you've got. It's gonna work regardless really well. Right here is a charger. I'm gonna take that out as well so you guys can see it. So here we go. It does have a USB-C port. So that's something that Apple's changing to, which is good. Would have hoped they did that with everything, but they haven't done that with absolutely everything yet. So here's the charger. So this, for example, would go to your computer, or if you have a brick. Unlucky for us, they don't include a brick with the watch. And this right here actually charges your watch. It's very simple. You just place it on top, done. And finally, we're gonna get to see the Apple Watch. So here we go. It does come packaged up like so. So let's just slide it out. This is just to protect it. You don't really need it. And here's the Apple Watch. So this is really what you came here for. And it's very simple. The color is black. It's got a pretty nice finish to it. Pretty shiny. Again, I recommend putting a screen protector right away. And on the back, that's what we really want to see, because this is everything. The whole sensor thing is all the way on the back. The only two buttons that we have are these two. So I actually accidentally just pressed this, so it turned on. We're gonna see the Apple logo, and then we're gonna go throughout the setup video. But that's another video for today. We're just gonna take a look at the watch and what we're actually getting inside the box. So right now on this table is everything you get inside the box. There isn't anything more. So if you wanted, or you were expecting a brick so you can charge this up with, no, you're gonna have to hook this up to your computer or get a brick for it as well. Which again, pretty disappointed on Apple doing that, but they started doing that with everything from way before. Lucky for us, iPads, they still sent those out with the bricks, at least the iPads. hopefully they won't take those out. Anyways, right now we're just gonna place these bands. I'm just gonna place some random one here, and you're gonna notice that yes, it is that easy to place them. They're not just gonna go out. Gonna slide that in there. There we go. Now it's nice and locked. So again, they don't just come off. It's very easy to put them on, but they don't just come off. To take them off, you actually have to press buttons on the back. So those are the buttons. So I'm just gonna turn this off for now. So here it is. This is how the Apple Watch looks like. It's very simple. Again, this is just an unboxing video, but I do have a setup plus a manual for this. So if you're wondering and you want to see this in action, make sure to check out those videos. But as far as this video goes, we are all done. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget, subscribe and rate. Thank you.